Hello student, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Tarun Sharma. In this video, I will discuss about chapter 1 and 2, practice set first. Okay, let us discuss the first chapter first, practice set 1, MCQ. First question is that the physical components of the computer system are called option A software, option B hardware, option C firmware, and option D none of these. Answer is that hardware. Hardware is the physical component. Next question. The programs or instructions that tell the computer what to do are known as option software, hardware, and none of these, and answer is software. Software is a set of program, or program is a set of instruction, or we can say that is a software is a set of instruction or program. Next question. Computer work on the dash system, decimal, binary, octal, none of these. Answer is that binary. Question 4. This part sends signal to other parts of the computer to tell them what to do. Option CPU, CD-ROM, mouse, scanner. Answer is that B, CPU. Question 5. Which one of the following items is not an embedded computer? Option A microwave, option B tablet, option C washing machine, and option D refrigerator. Answer is that tablet, because embedded computer work inside the machine like washing machines. In this we can set a timer for wash a cloth. Okay. Question 6. Monica has a flower delivery business and needs a stationary computer for a desk in her office. Which one of the following type of computer do you recommend it to her? Smartphone, laptop, desktop computer, and last option is that tablet PC. Answer desktop computer. Desktop computer is used for a desk. Next question. System send voice through the internet. VIOP, VOIP, VPIO, and last none of these. Answer is that VOIP. VOIP stand for voice output input process. Next question 8 is a component of the processor that performs arithmetic, comparison, and logical operations. Option A CU, option B ALU, option C MU, and option D processing unit. Answer is that option B ALU. ALU stands for arithmetic logical unit. Next question. Govind bought a new laptop. He noticed that there was a flat surface to control the pointer instead of a mouse. What is this flat surface called? Option A, joystick. Option B, touchpad. Option C, monitor. And option D, keypad. Answer is that option B, touchpad. Touchpad is also known as flat surface. Raw facts are called. Last question is that raw facts are called. Option data, information, knowledge, and none of these. Answer is that data, because raw facts represent unorganized form of information is called data. Clear? Let us discuss some filling the blank. Computer desk are the physical parts that make up a computer system. They are the parts that you can see and desk. Answer is that hardware and touch. Computer hardware are the physical part that make up a computer system and they are the parts that you can see and touch. इसे हम टच भी कर सकते हैं हार्डवेयर को, सॉफ्टवेयर को भी कान टच. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. डैश is used to provide instructions to the computer so that it can perform certain tasks. Software. Next question. Are the raw facts from which dash is derived? Data and information. Data are the raw facts from which information is derived. Okay. Next question. Yes. Is the most powerful computer? Is the most powerful computer? Supercomputer. Supercomputer is the powerful computer. Okay. Question 5. The direct other components of the computer to perform the task is specified in the program instruction. Answer is CU. CU stands for control unit. It controls all the operation and tasks performed inside the system. Okay. Next question 6. Collecting the data and converting it into information is called. And answer is that processing. Question 7. Results are obtained from computer through its ... unit. Answer is output. Okay. Output unit is show the result. Computer are dash than human beings. आंसर फास्टर. अगर हम कंपेयर करें एक ह्यूमन से, कंप्यूटर हमारा फास्टर होता है. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. कंप्यूटर हैव डेट्स IQ. आंसर इज दैट 0 IQ. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. is an output device that lets you hear music, voice and other sound from the computer. Answer speakers. Speaker is the output device. Okay. Next question. Contains various key that you can press to enter number and alphabets into the computer's answer keyboard. And chapter 1 practice is completed. And as chapter 2 practice set 1, we will start here. Okay. First MCQ. The part of a computer that allows the user to view information on a screen. Option A, mouse. Option B, CPU. Option C, RAM. And option D, monitor. Answer is D, monitor. The part of a computer that allows the user to view information on a screen. मॉनिटर आपकी हेल्प करता है आप वीडियो देखने में, स्क्रीन में ग्राफिक्स को शो करता है. ओके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द पार्ट सेंड्स सिग्नल टू अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द कंप्यूटर टू टेल देम व्हाट टू डू. आंसर इज फाइंड इन दिस ऑप्शन. A, CPU, B, keyboard, C, mouse, and D, hard disk. Answer A, CPU. CPU sends signal to other parts of the computer because CPU is the brain of the computer and CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Next question. This memory is for short-term storage and is lost when the computer is turned off. Very good. Very important question is that this memory is for short-term storage and is lost when the computer is turned off. Option A, ROM. Option B, CPU. Option C, hard disk. Option D, RAM. Answer is that RAM. RAM is the random access memory. It is the short-term use storage device. Okay. Question 4. Another name for all the parts of a computer. Option A, monitor. Option B, process. Option C, hardware. And option D, software. Answer is that hardware. We know that hardware is a setup. Hardware is any part of the system. Yes, all part of the computer system is also known as hardware. And next question, this part stores data, programs, setting, and the operating system while the computer is off. While it is on, it is pinned inside the computer reading and writing data. Okay. First, A, CPU, B, ROM, C, RAM, and D, hard disk. Answer is D, hard disk. This is the computer. Okay. By mistake is the solve. It is computer. Answer is hard disk. Okay now. Fill in the blank. There are two basic type of disk drive and flash drive. Hard disk. Okay. There are two basic type of disk drive, hard disk drive and flash drive. Okay. Next question. Second, printed copy is often called. Answer, hard copy. Hard copy is also known as printed copy. Question third, data representation in computer uses the number system. Answer, binary number system. And binary number system is also represented by 0 and 1. Okay, 0 and 1. Next question, printers do not use physical impact to transfer characters to paper. Answer, non-impact printer. Okay. Question 5. The binary system uses the symbols dash and dash, 0 and 1. Okay. And question 6. The digits of the binary system are called bits. And sequence of 4 bits, this is 0. Sequence in 4 bits, 0, 0, 1, 1 is called nibble, and sequence of 8 bits is also called byte. Okay. Next question. A unit of 8 bits memory cell group is called byte. And next question 8. A KB in computer terminology is equal to dash byte. Answer, 1024 KB. KB stands for kilobyte. Next question. The most familiar output device for the microcomputer is the answer, monitor. Question 10. The four functional components of the digital computer are input device, CPU, dash, and output device. First input, second CPU, third output device, and fourth is memory unit. Okay. Question 11. Instructions to computer are given through dash. Answer is that input device or input unit. For example, keyboard, mouse, these are the input device, and that is used to give the instruction to the computer. Question 12. Calculations are made in computer with the help of its ALU. Answer is that ALU. ALU stands for arithmetic logical unit. It performs some arithmetical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and others. Okay. And question 13. The term bit stands for. The term bit stands for. Answer is that binary digit. And next question 14. A unit of measure equal to approximate 1 billion bytes is called a. That is answer, 1 GB, 1 gigabyte. And question 15, that is the process of creating tracks and sectors on a floppy is called? Answer: formatting. The process of creating track and sectors on a floppy is called formatting. Next question 16. A mouse is a pointing device that rolls on a dotted surface. Answer is that flat. A mouse is pointing device that rolls on a flat surface. Okay. Thanks to all students for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. अगर आपने YouTube चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो इसे सब्सक्राइब करें एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन ऑल्सो. ओके, जिससे आपको ऑल कंप्यूटर सब्जेक्ट के जो भी नोटिफिकेशन है वो आपको मिल सकें. ओके, थैंक्स टू ऑल.